Hello, Huntsteaders. So here I am out in the garage. So Mrs. Huntsteader's been running around here sounding like a Barack Obama recently. I want a windmill. I want a windmill. So here we are. We got our 9-foot Char-Log windmill. Now I just got to put this puppy together. Find a place to put it in the yard. So there we are, Huntsteaders. It took a little longer than I thought it was going to take. But I got the tower set up today. Tomorrow I'm going to do the fan. That's it for today. Hello, Huntsteaders. Okay, so I got the tower finished. It took a little longer than I expected. Anytime you try to do a job like this by yourself, you got to improvise a little bit. But where there's a bill, there's a way, I always say, and I always have one of those around. So today I'm going to get on the windmill part itself at the top. Hopefully get that done before Mrs. Huntstead gets back home, and surprise her with a windmill. Alright, Huntsteaders, so there it is. One assembled head fan unit for my windmill. We've got a slight breeze here, and it's moving the blades, so it looks like it's assembled properly. Let's go put it on. Alright, Huntsteaders, so there we have it. I live in the Republic of California. I drive a Prius. I'm a vegan. And now I have my own operational windmill. And on top of that, I still love President Trump. God bless America.